In this tutorial, I'm taking you through how to install the company portal. So I'm going to go to the school portal or the student portal. If you're not aware of how to do this, you would go to our school website, go to the school website, our college, our students, student portal. Then I'm going to select IT support and just click on IT support. From here, I'm going to select any of these that are relevant to you. So if you're an 8, 9, or 10 student, then you would go in here. If you were a 7, so on, or a new student, you would go into the first one, so on and so forth. So here, ensure you have company portal installed. Click here to install the company portal. I really want to articulate, and I have to stress this. We have no control. You are not relinquishing any control or losing any privacy on your device. So we cannot view your browser history. Installing the company portal does not give us access to view or open your emails, contacts, or calendars. We can't see your passwords. We can't review documents. We can't open anything. All we can really see is the model and serial number, as well as the operating system. So if it's Microsoft 10 or Mac, we can see the names of apps you've installed and only the names. So even if it's abbreviated, we won't be able to see the actual application, the full name. Identify your device by name, so your student name. Okay, so what's up here in the profile area. And reset lost or stolen device to factory settings. It's really important that you know that that last step is not something that is done freely. It can only happen from direct instruction from yourself and a guardian to reset lost or stolen devices to factory settings. It's important that we do this so that if you've logged into internet banking, for example, or there's a lot of sensitive information on your devices, and we respect your privacy. So this isn't an option. Yes, this is a mandatory process. You are expected to install the company portal, and it is in doing so that you gain access to a lot of other resources. One of which, a very important one, is printing services. So up here, click here to install the company portal. The link is also down here. So I'm going to select in. If you are on a Mac, you would select this one. On a Windows, you would select this one. So we'll go on to Windows. It will redirect us. Go to Australia English, and you would select Get. Right. Open Microsoft Store. Let's open the Microsoft Store. From here, you will need to make sure that you're logged in. So yes, you can select Get, but yeah, it's going to ask you to sign in. So we're just going to do that first. So we're going to sign in. It's going to be add work or school account. If you see your @CNSTU account, but it's not work or school underneath and it says personal, you need to use a different account. It needs to be logged in as a work or school account. Otherwise, it's just not going to work and it's going to look like it's loading forever. So we want to avoid that. Product is installed. You can confirm that it's installed. You'll see by searching company portal, you'll see the app. And it's as simple as that, installing the company portal. This allows us to provide you with must-have kind of applications. Like for students, you can utilize Vivi, so you can project your screen to any device within any screen within the college. This could be great for you while you're collaborating in the library and studying as a collective. So that's a great resource for you to have. There's other resources. So printing services will be going through the company portal from the middle of this year. And then there's even certain curriculum subjects will place up-to-date software packages on the company portal, so it's easy for you to install that software. So just making sure that you've got the company portal installed, and we are good to go. Great. That is installing the company portal. Just a reminder, this is not an optional requirement, it's mandatory. And you did sign this agreement on your entry to St. Mary's in your device agreement. So please join. It's for your own security as well, and it will save myself and the technicians a lot of work in having to chase students up on this. Thank you.